How do I find a driving school near me? If you are a teenager getting ready to hit the road, you might be asking yourself, how do I find a driving school near me? Finding the right driving school is essential for your journey to becoming a safe and confident driver. Let's break down some simple steps to help you find a school that meets your needs. First, start by using online driving school locators. Many state Department of Motor Vehicles websites have tools where you can enter your city or zip code. This will show you licensed driving schools in your area. These tools often list schools that offer behind-the-wheel training, classroom courses, and pre-licensing courses specifically for new drivers. Next, make sure the driving school you are considering is licensed by your state's Department of Motor Vehicles. Licensed schools meet specific standards for instructor qualifications, vehicle safety, and curriculum. This ensures you will receive proper training that prepares you for the road test and safe driving. Now let's talk about course offerings. Driving schools usually provide various packages. These can include a set number of behind-the-wheel lessons, classroom instruction, and sometimes even defensive driving courses. Look for a package that fits your needs and budget. For example, some schools offer 5, 10, or 15 driving lessons combined with classroom instruction. Convenience is also important. Choose a school that has locations and lesson times that work for your schedule. Some schools even offer pickup services or flexible lesson times, which can be super helpful if you have school or other activities. It is also wise to verify the course content and instructor experience. A good driving school will cover topics like highway driving, driver habits, risk awareness, and the effects of alcohol and drugs on driving. Experienced instructors who are patient and communicate well can make learning to drive a lot less stressful. Another great tip is to ask for recommendations. Talk to friends, family, or your school's driver education program for suggestions. Personal experiences can guide you to a reputable school. Once you have a list of potential schools, contact them directly. Ask about pricing, lesson length, instructor qualifications, and how they prepare students for the road test. This will help you make an informed choice. Finally, check reviews and ratings online. Look for testimonials from other teens who have taken lessons at the schools you are considering. Positive feedback about teaching quality and customer service is a good sign. By following these steps, you can easily find a driving school near you that offers the training you need to become a confident and safe driver. Just remember to have your learner permit before starting any behind-the-wheel instruction, as it is usually required by law. Taking a pre-licensing course, whether in a classroom or online, is often a prerequisite before scheduling your road test. Good driving schools will guide you through these requirements as part of their program.